Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video, I will be telling you about the email schreiben format. What is the basic format that you must know when you are writing an email for A1 level? Especially informal email writing we are doing. What is the format? How can you begin and how can you end your email? So let's start. This is Anrede in German called salutation. Liebe Maria, lieber Anton, hello Maria or Anton. So what is the difference? That if it's a girl, you are writing to a girl, you will say lieber Maria, then comma. If it's a boy, then lieber. So ending is very important for boy er, and for girl you can see e ending. And if you are using hello, so you can write either to a boy or a girl. That is okay. And then exclamation sign. So now remember, if you are ending with exclamation sign, the next sentence will start with the capital alphabet. You can drop one line space, and then you can start the heading, first sentence. Or if it ends with comma, in the case of liebe or lieber, then you will start the first word with small alphabet. That we see in the next slide. So this is the text style. How do we start? First of all, informal mails are basically started with do form. Never use Z form or never mix up any two forms, do or Z. Always use one form, do for informal and Z for formal mails. And you can start like this. If you're writing to a friend or a person you know very well, wie geht's? Es geht mir gut. And then you can start further. Or you can say, thank you so much for your email. Vielen Dank für die E-Mail. Or you can say, thanks for the invitation. Suppose your friends has invited you for a birthday party or any other celebration. So you can start like this. Vielen Dank or Danke für die Einladung. Thank you for the invitation. Or you can also start with Es freut mich. I'm happy that you can continue. Das. Or you can say Ich entschuldige mich bitte. If you apologize, if you decline some offer, if you refuse to go somewhere in the party or some other meeting with the friends. Ich entschuldige mich bitte. I apologize. I'm sorry. Leider. Unfortunately, I cannot come. Leider kann ich nicht kommen. Like this, you can proceed. So this is the text style. This is the main body. You can start like this. And you can see here, all the words have first alphabet small. So this is very, very important. So this is called main body. Now we'll come to the Schluss part. How will you end? At the end, this is very, very important because most of you make some kind of mistakes or error in the ending or in the beginning. So I'm just making you aware about these things. So you can end like Tschüss, bis bald, very typical. Or you can say schreib mir bald, write me soon. And then if it's a party email, you are writing to a party for a party, means friends are going for a party. You can say viel Spaß auf der Party. Have a lot of fun in the party. Or if you are expecting an answer from your friend, you can say Ich freue mich auf die Antwort. I'm looking forward to your answer. Or Ich warte auf deine E-Mail. I'm waiting for your email. That is also correct. So both correct. Or at the end, you can also say Danke im Voraus. Thanks in advance. Suppose you are asking for a suggestion or advice from your friend. So you can end like this. Danke im Voraus. Thanks in advance. So that is also correct. See, these are the different sentences that you may use. Okay, at the end, Schluss. And then Grüße. How will you write the greetings at the end? That is also very, very important. Since it's an informal email, Liebe Grüße, you can also write Viele Grüße. That is semi-formal actually. Lovely greetings and many greetings. Remember, at the end you will write your name. You will mention your name. Liebe Grüße, then your name, or Viele Grüße, and then your name. You can select any one of these. Or you can write Dein Freund, then your name. Or if you are a female girl, then you can say Deine Freundin and your name. This is very, very informal. It's very typical casual email. Or Beste Grüße, best greetings, then and Herzliche Grüße, heartiest greetings. It's like we end our email or letter in the English, regards, yours sincerely, truly, but that is formal. But these are typical informal way of writing. So I hope you understand this and you like the video. So that's all. So keep watching German class. Bye bye. Take care.